Alright, Dad's bringing the boat in. We'll see what we can get in here. I never fished this before. So we're just going to troll up this creek, which connects to the river. So there's muskie, pike, walleye, pickerel, you know, bass, bluegill, crappie, all that good stuff. We'll see what we can get. Catfish. Oh yeah. See them birds flushing out those bugs? Look at the water in front of it. It's fish. Holy cow, the bugs. That's insanity. Yes, sir. I don't know. Yes. Yes, I do. I don't know what it is. That's catfish, I think. Thank you, thank you. Yeah. Get him out there. He snapped that off. My goodness. You get a smallmouth? Cool. He won't.
Come here. Oh, yeah.
That was all his childhood training right there, they told him. It's going for it currently. It does not want to be caught. Show yourself. I don't think it's a smallmouth. If it is a smallmouth, it's a big smallmouth.
You got the net. Give it to me. Yep, got it.
I think it might, oh man, it might be a smallmouth. A big smallmouth. Oh, dang. He's a psycho. Oh, he's a psycho. You scoop him. I'm gonna try to drag him out in front. And just let him run. Hey, you're getting. There you go. Come on, big boy. Get in there.
That's a good fish, man.
Holy cow.
Good one.
Dang. It's a big old smallie.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I will let him go. Nice and easy.
Nice one.
That was a nice one. That was a nice one. He pulled real hard. Is that a fish? Those are fish. There's like 3-4 fish right there. Right there. They're working the edge. I'd throw it right out there. That's something weird. I don't know what it was. Go for it. That's what I like to see. You tell what you got? Okay. Now, let me do this. There you go.
catfish or carp. Now it's starting to play a little bit. Yeah, it's way down.
There you go.
Big slug.
Good eating. Yes, I do.
He's in there.
Oh, dang. Shrinking. It let go. It let go.
Saw something big under that tree. Can't tell you what it was. It was big.
I don't know either, but whatever that was, try that again. All right, y'all. Jeez. Act like you never seen a boat before. Oh. I don't know what that was. Something bit it. I bet you I know what it was.
I'm 11.
Show yourself. Freaking walleye. Swear to Bob, that was a walleye.
I don't know what it is.
I think that's a little tiny walleye, my man. There's crappie in here. You son of a gun. Hey, you got crappie over here. Crappie. All right, if crappie is what's here, we'll throw some crappie jigs. Pitch some crappie jigs. I go sit here and try to catch the same bass everybody else is catching. Need bait? Oh, come on now. Whale, Denver. Oh, I saw it. It broke.